So I wanted to talk about Privacy Badger. It's a browser extension that everyone should have, especially given the Cambridge Analytica revelations. Basically, third-party advertising tracking links all of your browsing habits together. And what it does is it builds a profile on you, and from there you can get targeted advertising, but also companies that are data aggregators and intelligence firms use this information to manipulate people at certain points, like the 2016 election. And as I've mentioned before, we don't know how any of this will be used in the future. So how does Privacy Badger work? Well, Privacy Badger blocks the web addresses that are secretly connecting to you. What it does is when you view a web page, that page is often made of content from different sources. So there are hidden things you don't see happening on the web page. And Privacy Badger keeps track of all of this. So as you browse the web, if the same source seems to be tracking your browser across different websites, like Facebook, for example, which tracks people even though they're not a Facebook account holder. And this especially happens on social media. So if you are a social media user, you should absolutely have Privacy Badger. Insurance companies are now data mining and using tracking software to raise your premiums. I just did a video on that, so check the videos section if you would like to see that, how that is happening. On a more technical level, Privacy Badger keeps note of third-party domains that embed images, scripts, and advertising on the pages you visit. So Privacy Badger looks for tracking techniques that are uniquely identifying cookies, local storage supercookies, and canvas fingerprinting. If it observes a single third-party host tracking you on multiple sites, Privacy Badger will automatically disallow content from that third-party tracker. So I'm going to bring up a website, zdnet.com, and just show you how Privacy Badger is working to protect my browsing. So as you can see at the top right, it's connecting to several different tracking domains. This is all unseen, so you don't know what's happening, but you may notice sometimes things that you search for come up as advertisements. Well, that's how this happens. That is how you see these advertisements that just seem to be following you around. They show you advertisements about things that you just happen to have searched in Google. So I am going to pull down the Privacy Badger tab at the top right hand side and show all of the different potential trackers. Just this one website has 26 potential trackers. So as you can see, Privacy Badger has blocked the known ones. Some don't seem to be tracking and they are under the green check mark. But the ones in red are known trackers. So 26 is quite a lot, and that's just one website. So as you can see, if you care about privacy, Privacy Badger is an essential browser extension. And I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not affiliated with the organization that created it, the EFF, but they are an amazing organization that is dedicated to protecting privacy. So you can get Privacy Badger at eff.org/privacybadger, and that is something I highly suggest for everyone. As I showed you, even just on that one website, I'm going to pull it down one more time to show you all the trackers, 26 different trackers. In fact, even Facebook is tracking me on this website, but they aren't anymore because I have Privacy Badger. So make sure to get Privacy Badger if you care about your privacy. Surveillance capitalism is only going to get worse. This is only going to get more invasive. As you know, many apps on your phone use these hidden trackers. Privacy Badger cannot completely stop apps that you give permission to track you. But for your laptop or computer, Privacy Badger is an essential browser extension. So if you like the video, like it, share it, subscribe, and I will be back later with more ways you can help protect yourself from surveillance capitalism.